Looking for a laundry basket but unsure which one to choose? Well, you're in the right video, and that's exactly what we'll explore. A practical and stylish laundry basket is essential for keeping your home organized while making laundry management easier. We've tested several models and selected the top 3 laundry baskets of 2024 based on capacity, materials, and design. You'll find links to these products in the description below. Don't forget to click the thumbs up button and subscribe to our channel. Here are the 3 best laundry baskets. Let's get started. Let's start with the handy laundry collapsible laundry basket, which combines practicality and efficiency to optimize your storage space. Thanks to its pop-up design, it expands in seconds and folds just as quickly, making it easy to store in any corner of your home. Perfect for travel, it's easily portable and offers a storage solution for weekend getaways or family vacations. This basket is made from high-quality breathable mesh material that promotes air circulation, reducing bad odors while extending the life of the basket. Its wide opening makes it easy to access and unload items, even bulky ones like blankets and towels. Additionally, an integrated side pocket allows you to organize small items or easily label them. Use it not only for your laundry but also for toys, sports equipment, or even to create a play or rest area for your pets. Practical and versatile, this basket is a true asset for a well-organized home. Next, the Dokehom laundry basket, with a 90-liter capacity, is the ideal solution for optimal laundry storage. Its sturdy structure and aluminum handles with EVA grip ensure a comfortable and secure hold, even with heavy loads. This high-end basket is made from 600D Oxford fabric with an interior PE coating that makes it waterproof and extremely durable, ensuring long-lasting use. Its collapsible design saves space when not in use, making it easy to store in a closet or wardrobe. With dimensions of 38 by 38 by 79 cm, it offers a generous capacity to hold your clothes, towels, and sheets, all while remaining lightweight and easy to carry. Practical and efficient, this basket is suitable for all types of use, whether for the home, bathroom, or travel laundry. It's easy to maintain, just wipe it with a damp cloth, avoiding machine washing to prevent damage to the handles and coating. Durable and practical, this basket will become an indispensable accessory in your daily life. Finally, the HomeHacks laundry basket is designed to offer both durability and practicality with a generous 75 liters capacity. Perfect for families, dorms, or apartments, it allows you to store a large amount of laundry while remaining compact, thanks to its collapsible design. Made from premium cotton linen fabric, this basket is not only durable but also waterproof due to its PEVA coating, keeping your clothes dry. The wide opening and metal structure integrated into the top edge ensure perfect stability and allow the basket to stay upright, even when empty. The reinforced handles with strong stitching make it easy and secure to carry, whether with one hand or two when the basket is full. This basket is easy to clean, simply wipe it with a damp cloth to remove dust and dirt. Ideal for everyday use, it folds easily for optimal storage when not in use, providing significant space savings in your home. You can find the links to the products in the description below. Don't hesitate to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. See you next time for another product comparison.